How to log into your Charles Schwab on a new device. So first of all, simply make sure that Charles Schwab account is logged out of your old device. Then from your new device, you can simply install the application, which you can get through from your App Store or your Play Store. Then simply open the application. So after opening the application, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the option login right here. And then from there, all you need to do is add in your login ID right here, then tap on continue. Then there might be the option of adding down the password of your account. Simply do that and then tap on login, and like that you'll be able to log into your Charles Schwab on a new device, right? So in here, let's just say next time when you try to log in, you want the application to remember your ID, then what you can do is simply enable this ID right here, then add in your login ID and then tap on continue and go along with the process, right? So yeah, this is all you need to do in order to log into your Charles Schwab on a new device. Like I said, just add in your login ID, tap on continue, add in your password, and then you'll be logged into your account. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.